In this video, how to deploy a Microsoft Teams PowerShell module using Microsoft Intune. The first way, we can deploy the module using PowerShell script as Win32 app type. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the Intune Win format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file to your computer. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file IntuneWiniputal.exe is located at the same level as the input and output folders. In the input folder, we need to create the install and uninstall PowerShell scripts for the app deployment. The scripts can be found in this video description. Let's take a look about script. The first part of the script will install the NuGet package provider if it does not exist. Configure the PS gallery as a trusted repository. Install and update the PowerShell Get module. And finally, install the PowerShell module. Navigate to the File menu to save the script, and don't forget to save it with the .ps1 file extension. For example, I will save it as install.ps1. And now is the uninstall PowerShell script. Save it as a PowerShell script with the .ps1 file extension. For example, I will save it as uninstall.ps1. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into an .IntuneWin file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Now, open the Intune Win app util. This will open a new window. First, you need to enter the path of the input folder as the source folder. Next, you need to enter the full path of any file in the input folder. For example, we will use the install script as reference. And the path of the output folder for generated Intune Win file. Press Enter to continue, then the tool will create an Intune package and close automatically. You can go to the output folder to verify the package has been created. Finally, log into the Intune Admin Center and add a new Windows app deployment. From the drop-down menu, select the app type as Windows App, Win32. For the app package file, select the output Intune file that you created. In the App Information page, specify the information as required, such as name of the Intune app, a description for the app, and name of the publisher. In the Program page, we need to enter the install and uninstall commands for the app. On the Requirements page, you can specify prerequisites that the managed devices must meet before the app is installed, such as the device architecture, minimum OS version, disk space, and more. Detection rules allow you to check if the app is already installed on the managed devices. You can either use a custom detection script or a manually configured detection rule. In this video, we'll use manually configured detection rule type. Select File as the rule type to verify based on file or folder detection. Enter the path of the installation location of installed module. Typically, all PowerShell modules installed with the system context would be stored in this location. For the detection method, select File or Folder Exist. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedes to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the Assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force-installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it when they need without the administrative right. Use the Uninstall Deployment option if you want to remove the app from the managed devices automatically. You can select Add All Devices or All Users option to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review your settings and click Create. If you see the message, your app is not ready yet, wait for the content upload to finish. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is complete and the deployment is active. To verify the app deployment, log into a managed device and allow time for the system to sync. You can manually trigger a sync from the Windows settings, the company portal, or by restarting the computer. As you can see, Intune is downloading and installing the app. And the app has been successfully installed automatically. By default, on Windows clients, the PowerShell execution policy is configured to restricted. It means all PowerShell scripts cannot be run. We can configure to allow running script using Intune, but in this video, I will enabling it manually. For security purpose, it's recommended to set the policy to remote signed. This policy requires that scripts downloaded from the internet be digitally signed for execution and be permitted. Locally created scripts can be executed without digital signature. In the Intune portal, you can monitor the deployment status on the Overview page. where you'll see a graphical breakdown such as devices with successful installations, devices still installing, and any errors encountered. Please note that the deployment status may take some time to appear in the Intune Admin Center. Please be patient. If the app is no longer needed, you can modify its deployment settings in Intune to uninstall it automatically. Go to the Properties section and edit the assignments. Remove the group from the required section and add it to the Uninstall section. Wait for the sync to complete, and the app will automatically be removed from target devices. The second way, with Intune, we can directly deploy the PowerShell scripts to Windows managed devices. In the Intune Admin Portal, navigate to the Device section. Inside the Device Onboarding category, select Scripts and Remediations option. Select the Platform Scripts section and add a new Windows 10 and later script. Enter a desired name for script deployment. In the Script Settings page, select the PowerShell script that we have created when deploying using the Win32 method. Change this option to No to deploy the scripts in system context for all users. Change this option to No to disable the script signature check. Change this option to Yes to run script in 64-bit PowerShell host. Assign the script to a target group. Select a test group is recommended before deploy it company-wide. On a managed device, wait for the Intune extension for check-in to execute the script. Or you can force it to check in by restarting the Intune Management Extension service. The service can be restarted using either Windows Service Console, Task Manager, or PowerShell. After a few seconds, the PowerShell script should be executed in the background. As you can see, the Microsoft Teams PowerShell module has been installed automatically. In the Intune portal, you can monitor the execution status. Please note that the status may take some time to report it in the Intune Admin Center. Please be patient. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.